A historic day for Meghalaya Police Department as Chief Minister Conrad Sangma, in the presence of Preston Tingsong Deputy Chief Minister on Friday, flagged off 180 bikes, 80 boleros and 6 cranes. During the program, computers and traffic management equipment were also distributed. The launching program of the machinery and equipment by the state government of Meghalaya handed over to the Meghalaya Police Department is to strengthen the policing services towards the public in the state of Meghalaya.
This must be and is the largest single order and flagging off and vehicles being provided or being bought by the police department in the entire history of the police department in the state of Meghalaya. And I'm sure that this will be a big boost to the overall infrastructure and the setup and the logistics that are required to provide good policing. And I wish them the very best.